Guys, right now, we're living in the easiest time in human history to make money online. We're literally living in the digital gold rush of our generation. But the sad reality is that most people will never make a single dollar online, and let alone ever achieve what they truly set out to do in this life. So in today's video, I'm going to go over the 3 different reasons on why most people never achieve their dream lives, why they never make money online. So that way you can figure out if these reasons apply to you. So that way you can figure it out, change it, and then start down the path towards your dreams. So number 1 is most people lack the clarity of what they truly desire in this life. And that's because they're distracting themselves from the very sufferable life that they're living right now. Waking up very early for a job that they hate, driving, getting ready, just working a job they hate, and then going home, partying, drinking, smoking weed, watching sports, watching reels, TikToks, and just distracting themselves from the fact that they don't know what they truly want, and they're just settling for mediocrity. They're settling for the comfort of suffering that they know so well, and they don't want to go after what they truly want because they don't even know what they want in the first place. So to combat this and to go down the path of what you truly want, you need to find out what you want. So that takes getting in solitude, getting out a notebook, a pen, just sitting alone with yourself, jotting down what you truly enjoy and what life you really want for yourself. Because you can have anything in this life, but what most people don't realize is that they need to know what they want in order to go after it in the first place. Think of it like this. There's this boat, right, at the harbor, and if it doesn't know where it wants to go, it'll either stay at the port or it'll just drift off the coast in the ocean, and it'll either sink or crash along some rocky coastline anywhere in the world. So you need to figure out what port of cause you have for yourself, like where you actually want to go, and set that destination for yourself. Because if you think about it, the pilot of that boat, the captain of the boat, he doesn't see the destination 99% of the journey. So once you truly set out for your goal and you see what you actually want in this life, know that you won't see the destination 99% of the way to where you want to go. And that'll lead to the second reason most people never make it online or with any endeavor that they choose to go down in life. And that's a lack of consistency. And consistency is very important because a lot of people, they try a bunch of different things, especially for myself. I tried like e-commerce, day trading, and I would have made it with either of those different things. But the thing is, I wasn't consistent. I did it for a few weeks. I was like, okay, this is a little bit too hard. Let me just put my foot off the gas. Let me just give up and try something else. So like the first example I gave you, you need to just have that destination in mind where you want to go in life and stay on that path until you make it to that destination that you set out for yourself in the first place. Now, of course, it will be hard. There will be a lot of adversities, a lot of obstacles that come up in your path. And that's where the consistency, that discipline will keep you going towards the path towards where you want to go, especially if you want to make money online. Like for myself with remote sales, that's pretty much what I do right now. It wasn't easy. I came here with 1,500 USD to my name to Bangkok, Thailand, and there's a lot of obstacles, like I couldn't afford my rent, my food, or anything like that. But I knew if I just kept going down the path of I had to make money online, I had to get to at least 10,000 a month with remote sales until I went down a different path. And that just kept me going. It pushed me through those very rough times. And I made it to where I actually wanted to go. So it's the exact same thing for yourself. Whatever goal you have right now, if you want to make money online, or if you want to start a business, if you want to achieve any type of goal in life, you have to first know what you want and then stay consistent on the path to that goal in order for you to actually make it in the first place. And then we'll move on into the third. This is probably one of the biggest reasons as well, and that's finding out your deeper why on why you want that goal in the first place. Because a lot of people, they watch a lot of people online. They watch their favorite influencers and stuff like that, and they just live out someone else's dreams, and they never have a deeper why on why they set that destination in the first place. Like for myself, the reason I wanted to make $10,000 a month online with remote sales is so I had the ability to go anywhere in the world, enjoy what life really had to offer. And I mean, I've wanted to explore the world my entire life, but I didn't really understand what I truly wanted until I dropped out, hit rock bottom a few times, and then sat with myself in my room with a notebook and figured out, okay, what do I really want? And then how I'm gonna go get it. And I need to stay consistent on that path until I make it. And then the why was just, I wanted to be able to make money anywhere, anytime, and go wherever I wanted, whenever I wanted. And remote sales just was the easiest and quickest way in order to do so. So if you want to make money online, I mean, any business works. You have drop shipping, remote sales, day trading, just anything at all that you put your mind to, you can achieve it as long as you know what you want in the first place, stay consistent, and then have that deeper why to push you through any obstacles, any adversities in your path. You'll be able to surpass and overcome any struggles that you kind of face on that path. As long as you remember your deeper why, you know where you're going, and then you're staying consistent with the non-negotiable habits that you set for yourself, that no matter what you do throughout your life, as long as you complete those non-negotiables and you stay consistent day in and day out, it's inevitable that you'll make it to where you want to go. Now, that's why most people never make it, is because they never know why they want to change. They never know where they want to go, and they never stay disciplined enough to do the bare minimum to move the needle forward each and every day to their goals, their dreams, their aspirations. And that's why people, they're just comfortable with settling for mediocrity. They're settling for the sufferable life that they're living each and every day. That's why they just settle for a life of building out someone else's dreams. And that's why most people are just used to the suffering that they know so well. So it just takes breaking free of that suffering, breaking free of that comfort zone, getting out there, taking risks, taking action, and doing whatever it takes to get to your goal. And it's just as simple as that. As long as you do the thing that needs to be done to move the needle forward towards your goals, no matter how you feel, no matter what your friends, family, whoever is telling you not to do, if they're saying no, just stay in that 9 to 5, just stay working that job you hate because somehow you'll make it. And that's just absolutely not true. In order for you to make it towards your goals, you have to go down a different path. You have to just cut out, lock in, zone in on what you truly want, and then everything else will just become blurred, and then you're just zoned in for what you truly want. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you take this into account. Take a deep reflection on if any of these kind of sound familiar to you, so that way you can change these things, line up what you truly want, and then go after it. Bam, you've achieved your goal and you've created the dream reality for yourself. Now, of course, it's a lot easier done than said. Like, you actually have to do the thing. You can't just keep watching YouTube videos. You can't keep buying courses, buying mentorships, and never taking action. You have to do the thing. That's very hard, very uncomfortable, or else everyone else would already be living your dream life and everyone else would already be a millionaire. But what separates the millionaires, the people who are successful, from the people who are stuck in the middle, stuck at the bottom, is they do the thing that no one else wants to do. So that's just my bonus tip for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I was a bit late today, so if you guys like looking at my YouTube uploads, I was a little bit busy today. So thank you guys for your patience, and I'll see you guys in the next one.